In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a file, add clear notes right on the page, and keep your comments neatly positioned so they're easy to find and read. Start by heading to DocHub.com. You'll land on the dashboard, which is the home base where your documents live. If you already see the file you want, go ahead and open it from here. Just select the document to launch it in the editor. If you're new and don't have a file yet, go to the Documents area and upload one. Choose a PDF or another supported file from your computer. Once it finishes uploading, it will appear in your list. Select that file to open it. This keeps everything inside DocHub so you can add notes without switching apps. Now that you're inside the document, look at the toolbar above the page. Find the comment tool. This usually looks like a speech bubble icon. Select it to enable comment mode. With the tool active, click anywhere on the page where you want your note to appear. You'll see a small note pin or box pop up. Type in your comment right there. Keep it short and specific so it's clear what part of the document you're referring to. For example, if you're reviewing a paragraph, mention what needs attention and why. When you're done typing, click outside the box to place the comment. DocHub will keep your note attached to that exact location on the page. In addition to the note you placed on the page, the comment will also show up in the side panel next to the document. This sidebar view makes it easy to skim through all your notes without hunting around. If the note on the page is covering text or you want it to point more precisely, simply drag the small note to reposition it. Move it slightly left or right or closer to the exact word or image you're referencing. As you adjust the note on the page, the corresponding entry in the sidebar stays linked so everything remains organized and easy to track. That's all there is to it. Go to DocHub.com, open or upload your file, select the comment tool from the top toolbar, click to place a note on the page, type your comment, and use the sidebar and drag handle to keep everything tidy and readable. With these steps, your feedback will be clear, consistent, and right where it needs to be.